Hi, my name is Phil Scobee. I'm the Director of Product Management at HARMAN, and I'd like to talk about our new BSS product today. BSS is our flagship line for DSP objects and processing and all things audio. And this is our next generation platform we call Soundweb Omni. It's available in 4 products right now. Eventually we'll have a whole bunch more products, but for first launch right now we have 2 processors and 2 expanders. They're basically a 512p and a 256p. They're 100% Dante backbone. That's 512 channels of Dante and 256 channels of Dante. They are a large DSP farm using Shark-based processing. And the expanders are your in and out device to get audio in and off the DSP box. And they work with both analog and AES, user definable and selectable. It's also going accompanied with that, we have a brand new suite of software, but it's AVX Suite, and it has 3 applications, AVX Architect, AVX Manager, and AVX Control. And those are how you program and deal with all the software and your design and configuration.